Today I'll be going through and showing you with step-by-step instructions on how to install and change the ink cartridges into the HP OfficeJet 3830. This how-to video also applies to these models here. Let's get started. First, you're going to open the printer to access the space where you'll load the ink cartridges in and out. This can be found in the front of the printer by opening the door underneath the flatbed scanner and beside the screen. If you're installing the ink cartridges on a brand new printer, be sure to remove the placeholder plastic tabs before you try to install the ink cartridges. If you're replacing empty ink cartridges, be sure to remove the old cartridges before starting. You can even take your empty cartridges to an office supply store near you, or mail them into the printer manufacturer free of charge for them to recycle the empty ink cartridges. Now that we're where we need to be, we're going to take the ink out of the packaging. Be sure not to touch the gold contact points on the cartridge during installation, since these parts are very sensitive and touching them may cause damage to the cartridge and make it unusable. Then, align the ink cartridge so it will fit into the slot. If it is not fitting in easily, check to make sure you have it the right way up and that you are inserting it into the correct slot. Simple as pie. Now you've installed one ink cartridge. Now you'll need to install all the other colors the same way you just installed that last one. If turned on, the printer should automatically start recognizing the cartridges being in place and process them to begin the printing process. All done. Now you're ready to print.